guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, that is CAD Design Master. In previous chapter, in previous tutorial, I had explained you the mold tool features. All mold tool features I had completed covered in previous tutorial, that is planar surface, offset surface, radiate surface, scale, split plane, draft analysis, surface, parting surfaces, tooling split, and etc etc. That is all I had explained to you in previous tutorial. If you have not watched, please watch that all tutorials. I will show you. That is, this is one. Okay, this is a playlist of the mold tools advanced tutorials in Hindi and English. You can go and watch it. I will provide the link of this tutorial or link playlist in my description. Okay, now it's time to go in mesh modeling. Okay, I had always also explain each and every part, that is the sheet metal, sketch surfaces, sheet metal, weldments, etc etc. All features I had covered in my all tutorials. Okay, now in this mesh modeling, first feature is called as the convert to mesh body. So for that I will make new body over here. So just click on top plane, right plane, create a sketch. Okay, I am creating a circle that is collinear with this. It may be of any diameter. I am taking 100 here and just clicking on OK. Okay, now this and this point is coincident, sorry, not coincident, horizontal, and the distance from this point to centroid is equal to 200 mm. Okay, it's just for our testing. Okay, now go to the feature extrude boss. Extrude board blind की जगह I will taking the mid plane. Okay, extrude it like this, about 50 mm. Okay, 50 is enough. Now go to the mesh tools, mesh modeling, select the convert to mesh. It will convert our body into the mesh. Just select the bodies which you want to mesh. See, you can see the overview. If just clicking on OK, and I will go use the real view graphics of this body. Okay, now go to body convert to mesh, select add feature. Okay, and there is a mesh requirement, that is two option, that is coarse to fine. It depends on your computer hardware. That is what is the requirement. If it take more time in if we select the fine. Okay, just I am clicking small. You can see the meshes has been increasing as I increasing the fine, and at going to be coarse, the mesh mesh density decreases. Okay, there is an advanced mesh requirement is also present, but I will not go this. Just click here and click on OK. Okay, this is the convert to mesh body. You have seen that this decimate mesh body was not enabled. Go back and you will see this decimal mesh body is not activated. It will activate, that is decimal mesh body, surface from mesh, and 3D texture, only two will activated if we make the mesh body. Okay, it requires the mesh bodies. So now second option is the decimal mesh body. If you click on this, that is okay. No, I will not explain you this in this tutorial because it is very difficult. In next tutorial I will definitely make the tutorial on this decimal mesh body. Now it's time to make the surface from mesh. Just click on surface. There the type of the surface, that is first one is a planar surface, second is a spherical surface, third one is cylindrical surface, and last that is conical surface. You can see there is a conical surface. It will surface, it will create the surface from the mesh. If I will select this mesh, like I am selecting this mesh over here, you can see. Okay, I'm selecting just a few mesh element, that is 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, now I am taking what type of the shape you want. I want the cylindrical shape. If you want a planar surface, you want, you can, but I will take the cylindrical shape. You can see what type of the shape will be creating. That is the factor tolerance. If I will go high, this is happen. Okay, now the click on OK. You will see the shape has been created over here. And if I will extending increase the sorry, this is not should be our final product. Just click on calculate. Wait a second. Wait a second. I will uncheck it all and go to the surface from mesh. I am deleting. Reselect the surface from mesh. Select the surface or the mesh elements and just click on calculate. Okay, it will automatically calculate to each, and if I click on high, okay, it will show the error like this. Okay, and the how much you want to expand it. Okay, if you see the extension is here like this. If you select the uh, simple face, you will get this error. Now I am selecting this one and just click on calculate. Okay, wait a second. I am selecting this all because I want this cylinder. Okay, okay, you can see the preview. Okay, and after selecting all, I will just okay. Now this is the um part body or the solid body. After clicking on OK, it will converting into the surface body. Okay, you will see. Okay, just wait a second, wait a minute. That's the reason I have taken the very low meshes. You can imagine if I will take the multiple or the courses and the other, then how much time I will get I require to select this one. Okay, okay, I think all has been selected, and just clicking on OK and click on calculate first of all, and go to this, and I'm first of all taking the 20 and clicking on OK. Now you can see our final product is going to be making in the final. This body is converting into the mesh. Okay, this is the surface body, not the solid body. This body is the solid body, but this one is the surface body. If I will uncheck or hide this, you can see our final surface body will be creating. Okay, so you can, if you want to increase the length over here, you can go to edit feature and just select increase the extending surface. It will extend over here, you can see. If you increase or decrease, the changes will be occur in our final product. Okay, 20 is enough, just click on OK. Now the third feature is body compare. Okay, now I will clicking on this body. It will just compare the two bodies which we have selected. Now in previous tutorial I had make the split these two this body. Now you can see this piston rod is one body, but not the one body. It is converted into the two body due to this split line. Okay, now just select the two bodies. I am selecting this, and second one this and this. Wait a second, I'm unselecting this uh, source bodies. This is one. I'm letting this and this. Okay, now you can see it will define the two bodies comparison. You can see the two bodies is going to be in graphical method, graphical view. If we'll select the this view, you can see the our final product or final part is changes. It is very helpful in analysis of the mold parts. Okay, or also in analysis of the mesh. If we make this body into the mesh by converting this tool, that is convert to mesh, it will magically make the very interesting and beautiful view. Okay, now here I have selected the, you can see the mirror image of this, no problem. Now the third feature of the mesh is what? Now you can see the it will compare the two bodies. You can see here the body comparison. Blue line see say the 3 mm, that is all you can see, that is 3 point. But in our case the all thing is in the uh, green in color. Okay, this is the reading. If we uncheck, it will this the graphical method will be graphical representation or graphical view of the part is will be vanished. Okay, now this is time to learn the plane. This plane is same as before. We have selected in learn in the feature tool, that is reference geometry, and we you can see here the plane feature. Okay, it is the same. If you want to learn, I can explain you. Let us go to Fitch Mesh Modeling. Select the plane. Select the wait a second. I want the plane about the right plane at a distance of your default is to 50. I think 50 is enough. Just clicking on OK and enter. Now just uncheck this eye and you will see the plane one has been created. Now second split line I had explained you in the mold tools, that is split line, and also in the sheet metal and etc. You have if you have not watched, please watch that. Okay, now the this is the next feature of the mesh modeling tool is the project curve. It is very simple and same is we have explained. I had explained you in the feature tool. Go to the feature and select the different geometry, not the different select the curves. You will see here the split line and the project curve. The both options are the same in mesh modeling. Okay, what is the use of the project curve? Just see. If for that I want the sketch. Okay, now I will make the one sketch on this. So just click this face, that is this wait a second, that is the top, not top plane, right plane. So right plane, create a sketch, control 8 and make a sketch of this. I'm selecting this and make convert into this and go to exit, clicking on exit. Okay, you can see here the sketch has been created. Here you can see the gray line has been done, which is the sketch we have made. The name of the sketch is sketch 10. Okay, now what is the use of the project curve? Just click on this, it will project the sketch on the our selected curve or the plane. So select the SolidWorks asks you to select the sketch which you want to project. If I want this sketch to project sketch 10, and what on which surface you want to sketch, I am selecting this surface and just clicking on OK. You can see this sketch has been created in very easy method. Okay, it is the power of the SolidWorks. Okay, now what is the different other things? Now what is a split and intersect? Okay, I'd explain you split in previous tutorial. You can see here, wait a second, in videos you will see the parting surface, split, combined, advanced module. Okay, parting line analysis, split line, move face, circle, or etc etc. All the videos are there in my YouTube channel. Just go and watch this if you are interested. Now this is time to learn the intersect. For intersecting, I want two bodies on which is which are crossing each other. So I'm selecting this way that by going to the feature and click on sketch, extrude board, select this sketch. Wait a second, why it is not taking curve? Wait a second. Okay, there is some issue is occurred. Just clicking on select, go to the feature, extrude. Wait a second, select this and extrude. Why it is not taking here? So no problem, I will take this sketch. I will explain you. Select the mid plane and the height extrude up to 60. Now one thing is to be taking in mind, your merge result should be unchecked during the mesh modeling of the intersect. So what is the use of the intersect? It will show you the two bodies are intersect at which point. Okay, just click on I button that is hide the all things. Okay, now click on the intersect, and SolidWorks asks you to select the bodies which you want to, no, select this body, and this body. Okay, now there is a multiple option, that is three option: create intersecting region, create the internal region, and create the both. Yeah, if we select the create intersecting region, the only intersecting region will be creating over here. Okay, you can see this, this is the region which is going to be intersect in both the cases. Or if you want to hide, you can hide over here just by clicking here. If I will not want to hide, I don't want to hide, such I will I will click on the create both. In this case, the intersecting body and the original body will be kept. Okay, now you can see here, this is called the region 1, this is called the region 2. If I will click on this will going to be automatically delete from this. Okay, if you want, you do not, you can see it is very important tool. You can see what happened after selecting this, and just click on OK. Your final product will be this. So I'm not clicking on OK, because I want to explain you the more things about the mesh modeling. I had explained you the intersecting, and I will the join and cavity tool. This feature I will explain you in next tutorial. So just keep it side this. And second one is now this is a now this is the delete and copy, delete and keep body. It is same as the name of this. Just click on delete and keep body, which body you want to keep. If you want to keep the delete this body, there is a two option, that is delete bodies and keep bodies. If you want to keep this body, if you select this keep body and clicking on OK, you will see that all the other bodies will be deleting. Okay, okay, so I will delete this only, and you can see you will see here that is the connecting rod is only has a two part, because we have created the split line and we have splitted the connecting rod in two parts in the mold tools. Okay, if you have not watched, you can watch it. Okay, this is not any issue, any big deal, no problem, you can watch. Okay, and just uncheck this and clear section and click on OK, and or you can see a delete. Just click on this and click on delete button and enter. Okay, now it is time to ending this tutorial. In this tutorial I had explained you the mesh modeling tools feature. The first one is convert to mesh, second is decimal to mesh, but one thing is remaining, that is 3D texture. 3D texture is very interesting. I will explain you in next tutorial. So just be connected with me. If you are new here, please subscribe to this channel, that is CAD Design Master. If you want to get this tutorial in Hindi, you can also comment me in comment section. Okay, I will definitely make the tutorial on this topic. Okay, you can see the playlist. Please subscribe this channel and share with your friends and the knowing person which is interested to know and learn the SolidWorks and other CAD software. If you are engineering student, then this channel is the best for you, because in next in future inshallah I will make the more videos on the other software like the CATIA, SolidWorks, AutoCAD, Inventor, NX, Simon, etc. etc. Okay, if you are interested any if you want to get the tutorial on any software, you can see PTC video is also there. I will definitely make the video on this topic also. So be connected with me, subscribe this channel. So thank you for watching. Thanks for watching. Next tutorial is very important, guys, very important. This is the 3D texture you have seen in texture on the mobile or the Samsung phones. The there this 3D texture is very useful. Okay, just I'm exit from this tutorial. Thank you for watching.